In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through a simple shopping experience on eBay, from browsing for a product to completing your purchase using a payment option that may be available to you. Let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head on over to the eBay website. eBay is a vast online marketplace where you can pretty much find anything you're looking for, from the latest tech gadgets to vintage collectibles. It's a place that offers both the excitement of an auction and the convenience of buy it now options, making it a versatile platform for many shopping preferences. Now, once you're on the eBay homepage, go ahead and browse for the product you are interested in purchasing. This could be anything from a new pair of headphones to a piece of unique art. You can use the search bar at the top of the page to quickly find what you are looking for, or you can explore various product categories if you are just looking to see what's new or on sale. When you've found what you want, take a moment to look over the product details, check the seller's reputation, and perhaps glance at a few reviews just to ensure you're making a well-informed choice. Now, the next step is to add the product to your cart. Doing this is as easy as clicking the Add to Cart button, which is usually prominently displayed on the product page. Once the item is in your cart, you're almost ready to make your purchase. Let's move on to the exciting part, the checkout process. Head on over to the checkout page where you'll see options to review your cart and finally pay for your items. Here's a little tip. Always double check the quantities, shipping information, and any promotional code opportunities before you hit that checkout button. It's always good to ensure everything is just the way you want it. Regarding payment methods, if you are in an area where it's available, you might see an option to pay using Clearpay. Clearpay allows you to receive your purchase straight away while splitting payments into more manageable chunks over time. It's a fantastic way to budget for bigger purchases without the need to pay everything up front. Just check the Pay With section to see if it's available and select this option if it suits your needs. And with that, you're all set. Once you've run through these steps and completed your purchase, all that's left to do is wait for your product to arrive. I hope you found this guide helpful and that your shopping experience on eBay is even smoother now. Remember, online shopping is meant to be enjoyable and efficient, so make sure to take advantage of all the tools and options available to you. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.